Time and tense. Present tense, past tense, future tense. Present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense denotes an action in the present time or in habitual truth or eternal truth. Such as I read a book, we read books, you read a book, he reads a book, they read book. The sun rises in the east. তোমরা সবাই কিন্তু লাইক এন্ড সাবস্ক্রাইবটা কিন্তু দিয়ে দিও। সবাই কিন্তু মনে করে সাবস্ক্রাইবটা কিন্তু দিও। প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স। প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স ইজ ইউজড when an action is continued or going to be continued in near future. I am reading a book, we are reading books, you are reading a book, he is reading a book, they are reading books. I am going to Delhi. My uncle is arriving. Are you coming to the meeting? Present perfect tense. I have present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is used when the work has been done but its effect lasts. I have done the work. We have done the work. You have done the work. They have done the work. They have just done the work. He has studied for hours. He has been here since from Monday. Present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous tense is used for an action which again at some times in the past and is still continuing. I have doing this work for 2 days. We have been living here for 5 years. He has been reading in this school for 3 years. They have been doing this work for a week. He has been living here from his boyhood. Past indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense is used to denote an action complete in the past or a past habit. I did the work, we did the work, you did the work, he did the work, they did the work.